welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. This video I'm going to show you the new sound sets that I'm giving away free for the Uno drum. So you can hear there the RX5 kit that I've sampled from my RX5 behind me there, and I've loaded into my Uno drum, and I'll show you later in the video so how you can do that. It's not supported by IK Multimedia, so you it's not hacking, but kind of, so it's done at your own risk, but it's pretty simple and I'll show you how to do it. So I've sampled the sounds from my RX5 behind me there, and there's 25 samples in, and I've just done a few edits on a couple of them just to fill it out. There are some slots here which aren't used at all, which saves on memory, so I've just left those blank. So you've got your kick and your snare, hi-hats, clap, cymbals, cowbell, brim, and the toms. But also, I've also sampled in kick and snare too. That's your snare too, and for a bit of added, I've added reverse and one that added a bit of reverb too as well. So you get a good 80s sound to it. For the toms, I've got the electric and the acoustic ones. The same for these. So you've got all the samples that were on the RX5 in here. I've also got a sound set for Simmons sounds and for some Linn drum and TR-505. TR-505 over there sampled, and the other ones I've just had knocking around. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transfer the Simmons kit to the Uno drum, and I'll show you how to do it. So you need to make sure you've got it plugged in by USB. I would recommend you get the IK Multimedia sound packs, that's like the anthologies, and get those installed. You need that folder where the anthologies is installed for this to work. So get used to doing the transfer, try the different anthology sets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8. I think there's 10 in total, and all sorts of different sounds there, well worth playing with. So get that done first, and then when you want to try these new sounds, you want to come to your machine, make sure that the Uno drum software isn't running, because you need that MIDI for the transfer, as you do when you do the others. You get my zip file, unzip it, and then you get these files here. So you've got a set for RX5, a set for the SDS, the Simmons, and a set for the TR-505 Linn. So there's 2 files for each set. There's the DFU, which is the actual sound set, and a batch file, which enables you to copy it over. So what you need to do, unzip those, go to your IK Multimedia, say the Sound Anthology 8 folder. I've created a separate folder, but use that one. So as you can see in here, in my case, it was in my my documents, the IK Multimedia Uno drum, and then you had the sound anthology. So I would go into one of these anthology libraries. Right, so go into 8, or go into any of those, copy my files into this folder, and here's one I did earlier. So now I want to put the SDS one, the Simmons one in. So you just run this batch file, which renames the core file, copies it, and then runs the installer and copies it over to your machine. So let's run that. If you get this where it goes into bootloader mode and nothing happens, like that, then you just need to restart your Uno drum and restart the copy again. Okay, so I install that. So now you can hear some of the Simmons samples. There's quite a few in this one. You see, you've got different kicks. Quite like that one. Snare. So that traditional Simmons sound, and there's a few percussion in there. Clap. So there's a few different Simmons toms in there. So there you go, that's the Simmons sound set included. There I've got Simmons kit, change some of those sounds. So let's say I now want to try the Linn TR-505 samples. Close the Uno drum. I'm going to reboot my Uno drum as well, just to get it all ready. In this folder you'll see the TR-505. There we go. So I run that. Install that. Okay, that's done. Give it a reboot. So that's playing the Linn drum samples. And I can change that over and give you an idea. So there's the Linn drum. A couple of different samples, one slower. That one is actually a little bonus one I got from my device. And there's the TR-505 and here's the TR-505. There's the Linn hats. TR-505 hats. The different claps, and we've got some tambourines on there as well. So now it's in TR-505 mode. So that's TR-505. So that's 3 sets: RX5, Simmons, Linn, and TR-505. Like I said, not every pad has got a sound on it. It depends on the set. I saved some memory by some of them, but I'm not using every one. But they're just samples that I've collected or I took myself from TR-505. I've actually got full instructions on how to make your own sets as well. So if you've got your own samples, you can make your own sets and upload those out. Linked on the digitallifestyle.com. Thanks for watching this video. Any questions, any comments, let me know. Leave a comment on the video. Thanks for watching.